my name is Jamie McGill. This is my presentation on STEM in the 21st century classroom. STEM basically stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. The STEM classes focus on these subjects, and teachers are looking for a more and more diverse group of students to teach these things to, as males have stereotypically been better in these subjects. So they are looking to help females and people of color get more interested in these topics. There are some major issues and trends in the STEM field. One trend is the focus on digital literacy. Technology is gaining more prominence every day as a life skill. Everyone has a smartphone or a computer, some access to technology. So this is seen as an important thing for students to gain fluency in digital and technological aspects. Another trend would be the focus on improving the environment. We are seeing more and more in the news the focus on clean water, climate control, the pipelines. Youth today are very interested in these topics. They want to make the world better, and this attracts them to more of the science topics, wants to get them involved in the STEM classes to find solutions to some of these problems. A couple of the issues in this field have to do with finding teachers. While computer science is popular, there's a teacher shortage, mainly because these teachers are attracted to more lucrative jobs. They're not finding jobs in education. These computer engineers are finding jobs elsewhere. So schools are looking to recruit. Another issue with the teachers is that many of these STEM teachers are white males. To keep our students of color and our females interested, we are going to want to hire more teachers that look like them so that they are more likely to develop relationships and an interest in the topics. A couple of teaching strategies, they are kind of intertwined. One is using non-traditional ways to share information. So allowing your students to use things such as Twitter, Facebook, Flickr, YouTube to find information about STEM projects. There are so many resources that they can look to for information that are more engaging to them than looking at a textbook. Another way to do this would be to relate lessons to real-life situations. Again, this can be shown on things such as YouTube videos. They can videotape them learning. They can share this with other users. Taking students on field trips that are related to the content would also help them relate some of this information to real life situations that they have been exposed to. A few mobile apps for STEM support, would be the Minecraft Education Edition, the Prodigy Wiki app, and the Inventioneers. With Prodigy, you are practicing math skills. Minecraft will help with building critical thinking, creative thinking, and Inventioneers helps teach physics while building and making inventions that they share with one another. STEM is going to impact my teaching by making me want to incorporate more digital opportunities in my classroom, getting my kids really focused on learning things about technology and the different uses, the different ways that they can share information online. Another thing is that I will allow students to use more engaging technology. I want to encourage them to use platforms that are interesting to them so that they are engaged in my lessons. Another thing is incorporating new methods of turning in assignments, allowing my students to submit videos on YouTube or Facebook. Thank you.